What's up, you guys? I wanted to start the vlog with just like a quick little intro. You guys watched last week's vlog. I had mentioned that this week is kind of a big week for our family. Our son Derren turns 18 this week, and in 3 short months he will be leaving us because he will be going off to boot camp. He joined the army. Really wanted to make this vlog super special, just like a little montage for him. So let's go ahead and rewind the week and I'll catch you guys up. Mall. Derren is with me. He is actually at the Apple store trying to get his phone reset back to factory settings. He was trying to do it on his own, but for some reason the phone glitched out and he can't reset it. It's basically like inoperable. Thank goodness this mall has a outlet plug, and I was able to plug in my MacBook so I can finish up editing a video so I can have it up tonight. So what happened to your phone?
It's not working.
Really? Doesn't Derren look like Bruno Mars, you know, in that song? I'm gonna play it right now. Wednesday, happy Wednesday. Today was pretty productive. I actually ended up going to Daiso for the monthly Daiso video, which I'm gonna link right up here in the card area if you guys want to go check it out. Sorry, there's a hair kind of in my lashes. Anyway, filmed a Daiso shop and eat with me video. Wanted to do something a little bit different. Also went to Bath and Body Works and ended up picking up some soap. It had really nice packaging and the scents were all like summer-ish. All about those summer scents. Once I got home, I was just gathering all my things and I was standing on the sidewalk in front of our house. The Bath and Body Works bag literally ripped open from the bottom. So I'm super just glad I didn't purchase a candle, or else that candle would have cracked. So I ended up getting 2 of the Aloha Honolulu Sun Gentle Foaming Hand Soap with Manoi Oil, Sun Please Mango Mai Tai Gentle Foaming Hand Soap, and the Beach Life Fiji White Sands Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. Honolulu Sun Hand Sanitizers, Ocean Citrus Antibacterial Hand Sanitizer, Fiji White Sands, as well as No One Likes a Shady Beach. And also the Paraffin Hand, Nail, and Cuticle Hand Cream. I'm gonna go ahead and edit the Daiso video so it goes up today. It was a very, very productive day. Currently here at YouTube Space. I'm attending a beauty creator workshop held by Brittany. I'm gonna put her YouTube channel name right here. I enjoy going to these creator workshops. I mean, number one, they're really informative, really helpful. It's always good just to keep learning. Traffic today really wasn't that bad, although Surrey was taking me all over the place. Like literally, she had me exiting off the freeway and then getting back on the freeway, but we made it here in like an hour, and that's pretty dang good for LA traffic. Can you guys believe every time I have attended beauty creator workshops, I've always parked in a separate parking, which is literally all the way on the other side. It occurred to me that there's additional visitor parking where you don't have to pay for parking, because I did pay for parking I think twice. Additional parking right over there. Just a little FYI, if you ever go here to YouTube Space LA, there's free parking. Don't make a left on like Bluffington Road, make a right, and then you're gonna see a sign that says visitor. Let's go get our seat for the beauty creator event. Oh, and YouTube Space is super pretty. I love like the whole theme. I mean, it's red and white, you know, but it's just so aesthetically beautiful here.
I am Girl with Confidence 1. What's up, beautiful people? Woo! I'm at the YouTube Space with all these lovely people that I've met, and I'm excited.
Go subscribe to your channel.
To my channel down below in the description box.
And then
Kenya from Kenya's Beauty Channel. Don't forget to follow me. I do a lot of beauty and story time pranks on my channel, and I'm so happy to be here.
fashion as well.
Oh, okay. What's your channel?
It's just my name, Amy Serrano.
Okay. Oh, I wish I could have used my name, Kenya's.
Cold brew coffee to wake your up. And water for Derren. Okay, thank you. Cherry on top of the cake. We had to end Six Flags with X2. Probably go get something to eat. At Boba Master. This is what is it, Derren? It's an Oreo smoothie. Derren said it's really good. The boba is soft. It's like fresh boba. So this is the Jollibee to go that I'm gonna bring home for the fam. Derren said he had Jollibee the other week, but I have not had Jollibee in a long time. Chicken Joy, white rice. You gotta have some of the Jollibee gravy. I think I mentioned it, but Friday night I dropped Derren off at his friend Kyle's house. He spent the night there. The next morning they ended up going to Big Bear. It was a bunch of his friends from CFCY, which is Couples for Christ Youth, as well as some of the CFCY parents. He enjoyed snowboarding. That Saturday was actually his real birthday, so happy birthday, Derren. I know he had a really fun, amazing time with his friends. We ended up picking him up later that evening. Happy birthday! But I know he was pretty tired and it was also pretty late. We just decided just to celebrate his birthday either Sunday night or Monday night. So it is Sunday. Typically on a Sunday, I already ended the vlog, but since this is Derren's birthday week, we're continuing it, and we haven't really celebrated his birthday yet. He headed down to Valencia because he was gonna go bowling with his friends from the church group. We're back again at Boba Master. This time I'm trying the potted crema milk tea. Derren got the Oreo. Derren and I grabbed boba from Boba Master, which was amazing. I ended up dropping him off at church. He met up with some of his friends again from CFCY, and I ended up just spending the next couple of hours at Starbucks editing. I mean, you guys know editing is like life, so I was able to edit Sunday's video plus some of this vlog. Also ended up going bowling later that evening, which he wasn't able to get some B-roll, but that's okay. They ended up going out to dinner, invited me to go with them, and it was really nice, you know, seeing Derren with his friends and able to really get to know the parents of CFCY. Everyone was super friendly. Everyone makes you feel so at home, and it was nice, you know, to be able to really interact with everybody. And the food was really good. I think it was called Master Inn, if I'm not mistaken. Really glad that I was able to attend and be a part of that and share that moment. I know Derren really had an amazing birthday. It's amazing how fast time flies by. In a blink of an eye, he went from a toddler learning how to walk, and now here he is, an adult, leaving for the army in a few months. Happy 18th birthday, Derren. We love you so much. We are so proud of the person you are today, the person you have grown into, and you are so kind-hearted, thoughtful, and we are just so proud of you, Derren. Happy 18th birthday, and we hope all of your wishes come true, and wishing you nothing but the best for a bright future ahead.